Beach. We are at Canon Beach, where they are known for the infamous Haystack Rock. It's gorgeous out here. We're catching it at around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and so it's a beautiful, beautiful way to close out today. There's nothing that can beat the feeling of being on the ocean, feeling the warm sun, the cool ocean air, and seeing all of this amazingness. Now, I'm trying to figure out though, which one is Haystack? There's a couple monoliths that kind of look like they could be. This guy over here, and there's one over here too. Upon some research, I found that this one over here is Haystack. Yeah, it's kind of hard to judge based on where I started this adventure. Remember how I said we were going to visit another Goonies site? Well, Haystack Rock, that was in the Goonies. Yeah. Definitely high tide, guys. I want to go right out here. I just have to find how to get there. We finally made it down here. So amazing. My feet are wet. My hair is a mess. But this is gorgeous. We had some cool stuff at the beach planned for this trip. Everybody's out here watching the rock and checking out the glassy looking beach, walking their dogs, just enjoying themselves. Such a peaceful and relaxing way to spend a day, an afternoon, an hour, whatever you have. The later in the afternoon it gets, the more that photographers start lining up to all get their spots of the iconic rock. And I mean, I understand why. It's gorgeous, and I can only imagine capturing that perfect moment is something of a photographer's bucket list. I'm just curious as to what it costs to live in one of these houses. This view is amazing, so I can only imagine it is way on up there. I might have to work a little Google magic in a little while and find out, just for curiosity. Because can you imagine like this being your porch, and you have this great view of this. It's amazing how quickly that time flies when you're at a place like this. I look back down and I somehow managed to lose another 45 minutes. I don't know, guys. I just don't know.